Hey, Fallen Skies Homestead here. We're going to do some maintenance on some vehicles. I have my 2005 Duramax, that's a Silverado 3500, with the embargo going on with the port. I just heard it just got over with, so that's good. But with the hurricane and everything like that, I wanted to go ahead and do the maintenance on all these vehicles. I got some issues. So I have some issues with my 2005 Cadillac Escalade, and I have oil change to do on the Duramax, and I need to chase down a wire. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just do the oil change. Okay, so let me flip you over. All right, so I already got the hood open, so I'm gonna pop this out. I already warmed it up. Kind of pull up the dipstick there. Now we're going to go underneath and go ahead and start with the actual oil change. So you're going to need a 16 millimeter, and you'll need a ratchet. I went with Wicks filter and Rotella. This is mostly what you go with diesel engines. So let's get over here and change this out. Right, so I got to get up underneath the truck. It's never that easy when you're a big dude. So let me get under here. Now, look, guys. I'm gonna get you all up underneath here. Take a look at this. All right. Alright guys, so I had already kind of pre-prepped everything because I started doing this and then thought maybe I should do a video on it. Now I gotta get my big fat ass up underneath here. So like I said, I already pre-prepped a lot of stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and just gonna go ahead and start pouring out. Like I said, guys, I went ahead and I had already use the ratchet to loosen that, so no, it's not loose like that all the time. So I'm just cleaning off the plug. Uh-oh. All right. Get you over here. Yo, come on down with me here. All right, guys, then you're going to want to this right here is your plug for your drain. So I'm was just cleaning it off, and you might want to go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with some brake cleaner real quick. And you want to inspect that copper ring that's around. You want to inspect that and clean that up. And make sure nothing's around it. Okay, and then we got our, like I said before, we got our Wix filter. Oil, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some of the used oil around there and get that prepped and ready to go. All right, come with me while I put this back in real quick, and I'm gonna prep the oil filter to put it back on. Let me get you guys down here. Well, actually, that's kind of in the way. So let me readjust y'all. I'm cleaning the hole around it real quick. I'm gonna put that back in. And I'm gonna take my wrench and tighten it back. And I'm gonna clean off the oil residue. Okay. And I'm gonna clean off a little bit of that oil in the drip pan. And then I'm going to take some of my old oil over here and put it around my gasket, my let me show you guys. You can see right up here, we got to put the filter in. So I'm gonna take some old oil, put it around the gasket, and put the filter in. Hold on. All right, let me get right back with you. Alright guys, so I put some oil in the filter. And I'm gonna come up here and put this on real quick. there it goes, guys. Like I said, you don't want to cross thread it, and you just want to go, you want to tighten it up with your hand. Okay. All right, and then I'm gonna take my towel and clean off all the oil around it. Now, I learned the hard way, guys, not to put a wrench on this. I know, you know, we want to do that. But I did that one time, and I'm telling you, I actually had to puncture a hole in the filter itself and then try to get it off. And then I couldn't do that, and then my friend had to come and help me out, and I ruined his shirt. So thank you, friend, a long time ago, for helping me out. But like I said, I will not do that again because I did ruin a shirt. Okay, now I got to get my big fat butt out from underneath here, and we got to go up top, and we got to put oil in here. Okay, so hold on, guys, I will be right back. Okay. All right, guys, now I'm going to put the rotella in. So you need 2 of these and then a half of the other. So there's one down. And we're gonna do the second one here. And then we're gonna do a check real quick. All right, so now we're gonna do a check real quick and see where we're at. Okay, so we definitely need to add more. Alright, so I'm gonna go get the other one. We're gonna add half of that. Alright, I'm back. gonna add half of this one. All right, that's about half. Let me check it. Okay, so here's where we're at, guys. All right, so right there at full. So what I'm gonna do is I'll start the engine and I'll let it run, and then tomorrow morning I'm gonna put a little bit more in. I'll put a little bit more in, and that'll be the completion. Now I will have to reset my computer, basically telling you that you need to change your engine oil. So it's just basically counting down the hours that you have on your truck that you run your engine. So I have to reset that. The other thing that I have to do with this truck is I have an issue, and let me show you that real quick while we're here. Put my cap back on and clean up real quick. So let me show you where I have an issue at, and hopefully you guys can help me out. Okay, oh, hold on 1 second. Don't go nowhere, don't run off. All right, so this is where I have my issue at. And of course, it's on camera, so it's not going to do it. But basically, when I start it up, it always goes into four-wheel drive right away. Then I got to push two-wheel drive so that it'll stay in two-wheel drive. And I'm having an issue sometimes that range select finder. So if you guys know some of the best ways to figure out what's going on in the wiring, I'd appreciate it. I did have my thickum replaced. I've had a new wiring harness, and this is just the latest thing that has come up. So that's it. But that's how you change the oil, and that's what I did. So I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Peace.